ladies and gentlemen, American Airlines Flight 1179 to Phoenix, Arizona is now boarding at gate 42.
This is a final boarding call from the airplanes. Flight 8930 to Margaret International Airport, Roebuck Castle Park. All remaining passengers, please proceed immediately to boarding at gate A03.
Yes, wish you has a wonderful journey by using our Centurion luggage. Hi, I'm Captain John.
Hello everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Ashley.
I'm glad to introduce Centurion for all of you.
Captain, Centurion, what a special name. Does it have any special meaning?
Well, Ashley, do you have any idea?
Yes, in ancient Rome, Centurion was commander of a century in the army. The mission was to maintain peace and safety in the region. Thus, we name our brand Centurion in order to highlight the spirit of love and peace.
Origin is the eternal, and the eternal is the classic. This is Centurion's business philosophy. Thus, Centurion has the feature of one design, one material, but unlimited colors.
Well, I believe that you all have preliminary understanding of Centurion. Now let Ashley introduce our product.
There are 3 sizes of Centurion luggage. There are 22, 26, and 29 inches. We use PC and ABS as the materials. PC is characterized by extremely lightweight, cold-hard resistance with good elasticity, while ABS is resistant to cracking and breaking on repeated uses. Combining both materials, Centurion has the features of fashionable style, lightweight, high strength, and excellent impact resistance.
With the telescopic pull handle and 4 easy gliding dual wheels, Centurion luggage provides 360-degree easy pivot mobility, smooth and quiet rolling to make your journey safer and easier.
Also, the antique and multi-segment design of the aluminum pull handle makes Centurion suitable for everyone at any height.
Centurion has expansion capacity, and the interior is antibacterial. U.S. security-proof TSA lock ensures security while traveling.
Last but not least, we provide plenty colors as well as styles for our customers. Centurion luggage can not only be your best traveling partner, but also present your personality.
That's right, you got the uniqueness of Centurion exactly. Now let's compare Centurion with other brands. The material of Centurion are PC and ABS, so it only weighs 3.5 to 4.5 kilograms. Other luggage men use aluminum magnesium alloy as material, so they are far heavier than Centurion. Thanks, ladies.
By using PC and ABS materials, Centurion has outstanding features of high strength and superior impact resistance.
We also make the price affordable to customers. The cost of a Centurion luggage is $83 US, while others might be higher than $700 US.
As you can see, compared to other luggage, Centurion uses a 2-post luggage handle, so it can provide more balance and support than others.
Furthermore, to meet the preference of travelers, we provide more than 100 colors for selections, so it changes the traditional image of luggage that customers can only have few choices.
After your introduction, I'm so fast and happy with Centurion luggage, but where can I buy such a nice luggage?
Centurion has only one entity shop in Taichung right now, but the major sales in Taiwan is through the internet.
Apart from Taiwan, Centurion has agents in 67 countries worldwide.
Oh, no wonder I've seen so many people using Centurion luggage.
That's right, therefore anyone who likes traveling can be our target customers.
What a beautiful luggage! But will it incur any damage during delivery process? Do you have any particular method to protect it?
Don't worry, we have a perfect way to protect it. We first wrap it with plastic film and bubble paper, and then we put it into a cardboard box to make sure it's perfect condition during transportation process.
Centurion not only has the beautiful style, but also provide customers the economical price. It will definitely bring a wonderful journey for every traveler.
If you have any question regarding Centurion, welcome to booth
5. Elegant, light, handy, Centurion.